Hello guys, today we're doing a tutorial on how to play Happier. So this is my first video, so the camera's bad and I'm just doing it on the recording on a laptop. So yeah, so since it's my first video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, we're gonna learn Happier, and right now I'm just gonna show you how I play Happier. Well, I accidentally hit D, but who cares? So it goes F, 3S, then GA. So it should sound like this. Three Fs and then GA. And then you're gonna hit 3 Fs again. And then C, A. And then it should sound like this. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. It was a small part, but I tried to do my best. So anyways, bye, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Crap, so bad. So later, see you in the next video.